How to fix black OPS 6 SYS error DEV error 10493 on Xbox. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm Rose and here I'm here to guide you to fix this kind of issue on your device. So, without any further ado, let's move right into the video. The DEV error 10493 in Call of Duty Black OPS, likely from Warzone or Black OPS Cold War, can be frustrating, but there are several steps you can take to potentially resolve the issue on Xbox. So first is, you need to clear the cache. Turn off the Xbox completely by holding down the power button for 10 seconds until it shuts down. Unplug the power cable from the back of the console. Wait for about 1 to 2 minutes, then plug the power cable back in. Turn the Xbox back on and try running the game again. Second step you need to follow is by reinstalling the game. Go to My Games and Apps section, find the game, then press the menu button and select the Uninstall button. Reinstall the console after uninstalling and then reinstall the game. The third step you need to follow is to ensure the game is updated. Press the Xbox button and go to My Games and Apps. Click on Manage button and then click Updates. Install any available updates and restart your console. The fourth step is to check for Xbox system updates. Press the Xbox button to open the guide. Go to Profile and System. Then click Settings and then System. You will get updates. If a system update is available, install it and reinstall your Xbox. The second last step you need to follow is to switch to a wired connection if using Wi-Fi. You can try switching to a wired Ethernet connection for a more stable connection. And lastly, restart the Xbox console. Go to Settings and then System. Then Console Info and Reset Console. Select Reset and keep My Games and Apps. This won't delete your games, but it will reset the console's OS. So, by following this all the steps, your issue will be fixed. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.